Hello everyone, it's Dave from WDWBuzz.com. Just arrived at All Star Sports and we've got our favorite kind of room here. It's on the third floor, so we don't have anybody jumping on our heads, and it's way at the back. I'm in the second last room in the hoops building. Super quiet. There's cheerleaders on site here. I've seen a bunch of them, but they're not going to bother me much. So let's have a quick tour of the room. We have a small little refrigerator. It's only about maybe 10 inches deep, so there's only so much you can put in it. But you can get a jug of milk in there, no problem. Bottles of water, you have a big screen TV. Here's the main queen bed. I find them very comfortable. I sleep great on them. You also have a Murphy bed that pulls down, and otherwise it's your table. The rooms aren't huge, but I find them quite comfortable. You have an air conditioning control over here. I've never had a problem with the air conditioning. It usually gets quite cool in here. You have a bathroom with tub and shower. And you have a sink area and a place to hang your stuff up. You also have a iron below and an ironing board. You have coffee stuff for the morning, and usually you'll find there's your coffee right in the drawer here. If you're having your house cleaning every couple of days, they will refresh that for you. So there's really no need to bring any of that from home. And you know what? I really love these rooms. They're pretty much the same whether you're talking All-Star Sports, music, or movies. And realistically, Pop Century isn't much different either. I know that they've enhanced some of the Pop Century rooms a little bit, but really there's not a lot of difference. You have a safe hidden away in here. Keep your valuables in. A few more pillows. I think we got enough pillows. There's at least 8 that I've found so far. And of course, we got Mickey and Friends up top. Yes, the Disney theming isn't super big, but you know, it's enough. This is the cheapest room you can get on the property by far. It's even a little bit cheaper than music and movies, you know, by $5 to $10. You'll pay probably over $40 less than you'll pay at Pop Century, and all you're really getting for that is a Skyliner. For some people, that's worth it, but to me, for the amount I'm paying there, I could actually take a minivan if I really needed to get back to the room quickly and didn't want to deal with the bus hassle and still break even. Just to show you where I'm actually at in terms of quiet. Look, there's nothing out here. There's no cars. There's no swimming pool. There's nothing that's going to be waking me up in the morning, which is what I like, because I don't get up that early. I tend to go to the parks at 10 a.m., something like that. There's probably lots of creepy crawly stuff back down there, but I'm not going to go play down there. But I am going to enjoy the quiet up here on the third floor in the back. If you want quiet, ask for the third floor, ask for the hoops building, and you're going to sleep a little better and people aren't going to drive you crazy. So that's it for our room tour. We'll see you out in the parks for the next couple of weeks. And hey, everybody, have a great Disney day.